All right, we have a lot of weather to talk about as we head into our Thursday evening. We have 30s for most of our northern counties, still holding on to 41 in Wahpeton. That's where the milder air is, and 43 in Sisseton. Under gray skies throughout the entirety of our day. We have a northeast wind at 12 miles per hour, 37s both in Moorhead and in Fargo. And a look at the regional satellite and radar. The white clouds showing up over most of the region, so gray skies with the exception of the far northern reaches of Minnesota, and some light precipitation taking place along and south of Interstate 94. Showing up as snow in southwest North Dakota, where Department of Transportation cameras show it's actually reaching the ground there. Here's our big storm system we've been watching for the last couple of days, just now starting to move into the Rockies. As it makes its way over the Rockies tonight, some very dangerous weather is likely to ensue, but we'll get more on the track of that storm system here in just 1 second. Here's a look at your hour-by-hour forecast. These wind arrows here help us see areas where the wind will be increasing overnight. So mostly cloudy skies, particularly down south, and a high cloud base over the northern counties as temperatures only slowly fall this evening. So generally pretty quiet, with the best chance of showers being to the south. Overnight, we could see a little accumulation in southeast North Dakota and along the South Dakota border. And that's how we'll start our Friday morning off. Temperatures will cool a little more up north as those north winds tug down some cooler air. We're talking teens there, but many of us down south will start the day off near the 30-degree mark. That's near freezing. A trace to an inch is expected along our southern counties to start your day first thing on Friday morning. As we go through the day, look at the heavy snow down to the south by my kneecaps. I'll show you more on this storm regionally in a second. The main thread here is it is expected to take us southerly track just south of our area throughout the day. So temperatures will be in the 30s throughout the day. The one thing we'll notice, we'll have the impact of the winds, 25 to 35 miles per hour. So your day looks like this, almost steady Eddie temperatures throughout the early half of the day, winds gusting over 30 miles per hour, reaching 37 in the afternoon. And very little significant snowfall expected in Fargo to Valley City and points north. However, down to the south, there could be some accumulation of snow with temperatures there in the 30s as well. Friday morning, snow, very heavy with very gusty winds across South Dakota and Nebraska. There'll be snow out towards Minneapolis. So if you're regionally traveling on Friday or into the weekend, watch this storm as it loops into Iowa. We're going to see the heaviest snow focus eastern South Dakota, southwest and southern Minnesota through the Twin Cities throughout the day on Friday into Saturday, and then watch this thing start curling back to the north. So the snow continues Saturday and into Sunday for portions of Minnesota with some extreme snow totals. Many in the National Weather Service are calling this a potentially historic storm. These would represent 1 foot of snow to 18 inches of snow, and the wind gusts with this could exceed 60 miles per hour. So it's a life-threatening storm. Those with livestock or travel plans should really batten down the hatches. Blizzard warnings already issued for our southernmost counties. There is a slight chance the track of the storm could still change. Remember, we were looking 3 days out, so we'll keep you up to date with the very latest. The highest risk in our area of seeing stormy weather, the far southern counties. Here's an amazing sunset shot by Tiffany from Comstock. Thanks for sharing your photo. Let's talk about some better news. After we get through a stormy weekend south and a windy weekend here, we'll be cool in the 30s on Saturday. But Sunday, a little sun and north breeze, 42. And how about this? A chance. There is a chance of seeing 50 degrees on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. And it's largely in part to the fact that a lot of the snow from this system is going to hit south. We've melted a lot of it already, so that sun is going to go to work to bring a little bit more warmth.
We'll take it. 3 days, possibly?
Possibly,
yeah, looks good. Thank you.